So we all love the water in Sarasota, that's why we're here. But if you're looking to buy property near the water, you could be buying in a flood zone.
Stay tuned, guys. We're going to tell you everything there is to know about Florida flood zones. So if you're looking at property that was built prior to 1971 here in Sarasota, Florida, it was built before the base flood map was ever created.
You know all these single-story homes that we see on the waterfront or around the Keys? They're just prime examples of property that was built before 1971. Now those properties just couldn't be built today.
So these homes that you see around the key areas that are either single-story or they're two-story with living space underneath are considered now non-conforming. You would not be able to build those homes at today's building standards.
Now, Teresa, that's different to illegal space. Now, illegal space would be space that's built below the base flood elevation line after 1971, which is, it's important to know. So if you're looking at buying a property that has non-conforming living space, that property is subject to the 50% rule.
What's the 50% rule?
That's a great question. You're gonna have to tune in next week to find out.
Am I in focus or you're rolling?
Swimming?
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming. So if you're looking at property that was, okay, sorry. So if you were, okay, oh, sorry.